Hi dear learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Literature Insights, an easy platform to learn English language and literature in English. As you know, we are making MCQs video on various topics taken from English literature. In this video, I have come up before you different topics from literature, that is writing for the print media. So in this video, I have explored 20 very important MCQs on the print media. So before proceeding to print media, it is important to know the learners of English what are the major types of media. So now there are two major types of media. One is print media and another is electronic media. So now here learners should understand what is print media, which media comes under the category of print media, and which media comes under the category of electronic media. So now here in this column I have given the particulars that comes under the category of print media and electronic media. So let's see. Print media, newspaper, banners, magazines, posters, outdoor advertising, direct mail, business card, brochures, flyers come under the category of print media. In electronic media, news columns, social media, e-brochures, blogs, featured articles, open educational resources OER, advertisement, script for documentaries, web content come under the categories of electronic media. So these are the two major types of media. So it's very important to understand these categories of print media. So let's explore 20 very important MCQs. Question number 1. Generally, media is categorized into blank: A. Print media, B. Electronic media, C. Newspaper media, D. Both A and B. The correct answer of this question is D. Both A and B. Generally, media is categorized into two categories: print media and electronic media. Question number 2. The newspaper, books, magazines, journals, newsletters and pamphlets are known as blank: A. Electronic media, B. Print media, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is A. Print media. The newspaper, books, magazines, journals, newsletters and pamphlets are known as print media. Question number 3. Who invented the printing press in the 15th century? Now here four options: A. Johannes Gutenberg, B. William Harris, C. John Gutenberg, D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is Johannes Gutenberg. Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press in the 15th century. Question number 4. What are the characteristics of the print media? A. Reality, B. Accuracy, C. Clarity, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Reality, accuracy and clarity are the characteristics of print media. Question number 5. The earliest form of printing was found in blank: A. China, B. India, C. England, D. Japan. The correct answer is A. China. The earliest form of printing was found in China. Question number 6. What are the fundamentals of writing for print media? A. Accuracy of language and grammar, B. Simplicity, clarity and objectivity, C. Accuracy and credibility of information, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Accuracy of language and grammar, simplicity, clarity, objectivity and accuracy and credibility of information are the fundamentals of writing for print media. Question number 7. Who wrote an article on communicative competence in written English among secondary students? A. Sobhana, B. Shobha, C. Sean, D. Peter. The correct answer is A. Sobhana. Sobhana wrote an article on communicative competence in written English among secondary students. Question number 8. Which is a reliable form of media? A. Newspaper, B. Magazines, C. Banners, D. Flyers. The correct answer is A. Newspaper. Newspaper is a reliable form of media. Question number 9. Which print media does cover a wide range of information related to society, politics, arts, commerce, industry and many more? A. Newspaper, B. Magazine, C. Brochures, D. Banners. The correct answer is A. Newspaper. Newspaper covers a wide range of information related to society, politics, arts, commerce and many more things happening around us. Question number 10. Which of the following is image based rather than text based print media? Again here I have given 4 options: A. Brochure, B. Flyer, C. Poster, D. Banner. The correct answer is B. Flyer. Flyer is an image based rather than text based print media. Question number 11. What is outdoor advertising? A. Inside of home advertising, B. Out of home advertising, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Out of home advertising. Out of home advertising is called outdoor advertising. And there are some advertisement on buses, trains and social places. Question number 12. Many business establishments use electronic messaging systems known as blank. A. Email, B. Direct mail, C. Indirect mail, D. All of the above. The correct answer is B. Direct mail. Many business establishments use electronic messaging systems known as direct mail. Question number 13. Which print media portrays a company's culture, ethics and values? A. Direct mail, B. Business card, C. Flyer, D. Banner. The correct answer is B. Business card. Business card portrays a company's culture, ethics and values. Question number 14. Blank is a piece of paper providing information in a leaflet, template or a pamphlet. Again here 4 options: A. Flyer, B. Brochure, C. Business card, D. Outdoor advertising. The correct answer is B. Brochure. Brochure is a piece of paper providing information in a leaflet, template or a pamphlet. Question number 15. Print media constantly keeps an eye on blank developments in the world. A. Current, B. Old, C. Rumor, D. Society. The correct answer is A. Current. Print media constantly keeps an eye on current developments happening in the world. Question number 16. Print media keeps updated with current happenings about blank. A. People and technology, B. Society and science, C. Education and sports, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Print media keeps updated with current happenings about people, technology, society, science, education and sports. Question number 17. Point of sale, display, stall, billboard, advertising, street advertising on buses, trains, telephone booths are known as A. Outdoor advertising, B. Indoor advertising, C. Direct mail, D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Outdoor advertising. Point of sale, display, oblique stall, billboard, advertising, street advertising on buses, trains, telephone booths are known as outdoor advertising. Question number 18. Business card is generally contains the name of blank. A. Individual, B. Designation, C. Company name and logo, D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Business card is generally contains the name of individual, designation, company name and logo. Question number 19. Electronic flyers can be circulated through blank. A. Print media, B. Electronic media, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Electronic media. Electronic flyers can be circulated through electronic media. Question number 20. Posters are type of blank media. A. Print media, B. Electronic media. C. Newspaper. D. Magazines. The correct answer of this question is A. Print media. Posters are type of print media. So now these are the very significant MCQs from writing for print media. These MCQs are useful for the learners of English language and literature in preparation of their examinations. If you like my videos on multiple choice questions on writing for print media, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Literature Insights.